Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight fifth wheel 2883WS. Brand new updated Newport Ash Cabinetry. Posing slides in the living area with the island. Great bedroom. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Also, remember to give me a quick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, that bell. That bell will give you a heads up when new campers go on. Be the first one to see new floor plans, new decors, new options. So make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, starting on the inside, 2883. See opposing slides, stone decor, Newport Ash Cabinetry. So nice lighter wood, island. We did the table and chairs, theater seating, residential fridge. We'll start up front in the master bedroom. You see the side hallway, magnetic latch that holds that door open, queen walk around bed, tons of overhead storage. There's that front AC, wardrobe slide with a sliding door. Down low you've got drawers, hanging space, more drawers along the side of the bed, USB receptacles on either side, storage underneath. You got bar stools, I'll show you at the island, and that is your removable table for outside. Just mentioned the sliding door. And then you are prepped for a TV in the bedroom. In the bathroom, you've got linen storage, porcelain toilet, plenty of room around that, vanity and sink, nice light over the vanity, utilize every bit of storage, max air fan, the shower. It's a corner shower. Again, I'm 6'5". I am well underneath the skylight. As you can see there, duck down a little bit. I'm just above the railing. You've got a remote for that max air fan. Little hanging area. Again, solid door and plenty of room to get by. As you come inside, your convenience area controls your slides, your awnings, your lighting. You can Bluetooth sync your phone to that Go Power for the solar panel on the roof. You do have a ceiling fan control, which is in the living area. The WeRV app controls your awning, your slides, your lighting, so you can sync your phone to that. Be outside looking at your space while you're putting those slides out. Nice sink area, plenty of storage, spot for a trash can, overhead storage as well, nice backsplash and charging area. Dual stainless steel sink, and you do have a spray head for the faucet. Your insignia residential fridge, plenty of storage, nice large refrigerator. The island, we mentioned the bar stools, I'll set those up. There are your bar stools, tuck in nice, again store under the bed for that island. Storage down low. Nice deep drawer. Large Magic Chef oven. Again, backsplash, but the range cover does act as a splash guard as well. LED lights and a nice pots and pans drawer. Huge pantry. Your TV area. Tons of storage behind. So your DVDs, your PlayStation, all your good stuff you can store back there. Acts as a swing arm and easy access to your hookups. RV technology. Sync your phone to the stereo. You got your sound bar, CD, AM, FM, DVD player, and your electric fireplace. Does put out heat. TV is directly across from the theater seating, again in the stone decor. You do have lumbar support, and the chairs do recline. Nice storage, cup holders, charging area in the theater seating. Nice blackout roller shades, but all the windows do open, whether they tilt out or your fire escape window tilts out as well, but your side windows in the slide out lift up. Nice lighting. Table and chairs. You do have storage underneath the chairs. And you do have extension there for a little bit more space. The trifold sleeper sofa. Sits three comfortably. You can lay down, stretch out on it. Charging on both sides. I will show you a setup and breakdown of that. Alright, so real quick, the setup and breakdown on the trifold sleeper sofa. Back of your cushions have Velcro. They pull right off. Pull from the bottom and you've got adjustable legs. And there's your bed. You do have storage underneath, so your cushions do fit in there, your linens, pillows, anything like that. And then pillows go right back in place. And there's a setup and breakdown of that trifold sleeper sofa. Again, nice lighting, overhead storage, and the roller shades. So very nice kitchen area, living area. Microwave up top. You do have a range exhaust fan that does duct outside. Nice lighting and an extra max air fan in the living area. 2021 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight fifth wheel, 2883. Now we'll move to the outside and take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice new logo on the front cap. LED lights. Nice trail air turning point. Helps you out with the short bed truck. Storage up front, spot for your batteries, motor for your jacks, your docking light switch. We are prepped on the outside for a portable solar panel, and we also have a solar panel on the roof. Your 30-pound LP bottle, one on each side. Side open, nice and thick compartment doors. Nice and clean storage. Your electronic leveling. Your docking station, so your outside shower, your water hookup, and everything you can feed right through the bottom, so you can keep this nice thick door shut. Hookups for your sewer, black and gray tanks. Nice convenient light. Awning toppers over your slide outs. Access to the back. This is a residential fridge, so you've got an access panel here. And then a nice storage area on this side. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, looking at the roof, you see the low profile front AC, 2 max air vents with the covers, second AC in the back, your solar panel, your rear max air, top of those slide outs with the covers. You got the skylight over the shower. You are prepped for a backup camera. Nice frameless windows. You do have a receiver on the back. You do have a hitch weight of 300 pounds for that. Moving around to the door side, you do have a spray port here as well for the outside shower nozzle. You do have a slide on your door side, so they give you an extra awning there, give you a little more patio space, and then an awning here as well. So you have 2 exterior power awnings. You have hookup for an outside TV. The one inside will come out, plug right in, and your outside speakers. Step above entry steps fold right up into the camper. So nice and clean. Shock assist folds right up. You do have the screenshot screen door, closes that screen door for you. And then the other side of your pass-through storage. Your cranks for backups for your jacks and for the slide, and then for getting your spare tire down, which is located in the back. Nice and clean, heated storage area. Your water filtration is easy accessible too. And then the other side, your other 30-pound LP bottle. So again, brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2883. All new, key to like. Thanks again for watching. All right, guys, as promised, with the slide outs in, no access to the back, but you can still get into one side of the refrigerator. You can still get into the bedroom and into the bathroom. So slide outs in, I say the biggest thing is getting into the left side of the fridge or the freezer.